Hello friends, happy Independence Day to everyone. And today we are going to discuss a very important case where an AI assisted health advice turned dangerous. So, this AI health advice, is it helpful or harmful? So, let us discuss about it today. So, actually, a 60-year-old man in New York with no prior medical or psychiatric history found himself hospitalized after taking a drastic health step on the advice of ChatGPT. He asked ChatGPT how to eliminate sodium chloride or table salt from his diet, and the AI suggested using sodium bromide instead. Interpreting this as healthy, he replaced salt in his meals with sodium bromide for 3 months. After those months, he developed bromism, a rare and neurotoxic condition that causes severe psychiatric and neurological symptoms. Symptoms which appear here are paranoia, hallucinations, confusions, muscle incoordination, and red skin spots known as cherry angiomas, and also intense thirst, even refusing water. So, lab findings here are a falsely elevated chloride level due to bromide interference. So, what about these AI chatbots? Actually, these are not intended for medical diagnosis or treatment. Yes, so the hospital treatment of this man involved fluid therapy, electrolyte correction, and brief psychiatric intervention. Over 3 weeks, his condition improved and finally he was safely discharged. So, this incident underscores a critical truth. That is, AI tools like ChatGPT are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Yes, even reputable AI can provide dangerous, decontextualized guidance. So, this AI can inform but never replace the guidance of trained healthcare providers. So, always consult a trusted medical professional before making health related decisions. So stay informed, stay safe, and AI with caution. And because bromism is more than a historical medical curiosity, it's a reminder that freedom is not only political but also intellectual. Just as nations fight for independence from foreign control, science also fights for independence from ignorance, outdated practices, and harmful traditions. So, on this Independence Day, I wish to gently remind all my fellow citizens that independence is not just about our nation. It is also about our own thinking. We must not become overly dependent on technology, machinery, or even on someone else's advice or assistance. By all means, gather information from every possible source. But remember, when it comes to the final decision, it is ultimately yours to make. At a certain point, you must be independent in thought, confident in your judgment, and not a mere slave of the technology. Be clear, free from confusion, and follow the proper channel, such as consulting a qualified doctor in this type of case concerning your health, rather than relying blindly on a machine or a software or some kind of chatbot. So, this was the very important message from my side on the occasion of Independence Day. So, happy Independence Day to you all once again. And soon I will be back with the next interesting and important topic. So, stay connected and thank you.